This is a short video about the QueueMetrics license information page. If we start from the top left-hand corner, we can see the Your Logo area. Here you can have your company logo if you choose to do so. On the top right-hand side, we can see a variety of icons. Starting from the first here, the Tasks icon. This allows to see tasks and task statistics. We then have the RSS feed icon, which allows us to receive tasks via RSS. We then have the Reset Query Parameters icon, which allows us to reset QueueMetrics to an initial state where no search filter for custom reports had been set. Next to that, we have the User Profile Information icon, which allows us to view information for the current user, and this area is where you can change your password if you need to do so. Next to these icons on the right, we have the Log Off icon and then the Print icon after that. Let's go through the license information. At the top we can see the software release. It shows us the software release version that we are currently using, which is in this case is 12.2.1. And beneath that we can see the build, the current build that we're using, which is the date that the software was created. We then have the Firefox client version that is currently in use, and we have an install now. The install now, this is used if you want to install the Agave client. The Agave client is the agent awareness client for QueueMetrics, which is an extension of QueueMetrics that allows the agent to see the queue statistics. It allows the agent to be informed in real time about what is going on and also to start chat sessions with their supervisors. This is meant for large-scale distributed call centers where a high real-time awareness of goals and targets is required. It embeds into Firefox browser, and it doesn't disrupt any web-based CRM or any form filling by the agent. If we continue, we can see license 2. In this case, we can see free demo. Normally here you would see your company name and the install new license key, which obviously you use if you want to install a new key. By clicking this, it brings up a pop-up box, which is where we can copy and paste the activation code. By clicking the Run button, we just go through the process. Next line, we can see the maximum number of license agents is 2 in this case. That could be 2, 10, 20, 100, unlimited. And the number of asterisk servers, which in this case is 1, but again that could be 2, 5, 10, or unlimited. We then have the license expiry date. In this case, it's the 9th of January 2013. And then we have a link to show us the end-user license agreement, which is what we agree on when we install QueueMetrics. This area down here shows us the current system state. This area is very useful for administrators. However, it can be hidden by setting a system preference within the configuration.properties file. If we just go through it, we can see the current operating system that we are using, the Java runtime version, and information about that. After that, we have the system path. System path is where QueueMetrics is installed, and also it's the location of all the files that could be manually changed. We can then see the storage type. In this case, we're using SQL storage. However, we could also be using flat file or cluster. The Loway TPF, this is really more for Loway's internal use. However, this is related to the QueueMetrics framework. We can then see the language pack that we're using and then the system time. Java time is the current Java time taken from the taken from the QueueMetrics server, and then the current time zone in this case is the Central European time zone. Then from the MySQL server we have the current time, and underneath this we have an important piece of information, which is that the MySQL time is aligned with Java time. This is very important, and these must be aligned for reporting purposes. When QueueMetrics is installed via a distribution, it contains a free 2-agent license, such as in this case. If you would like to monitor and report on more agent, you would need to purchase a license, of course. To purchase a license, the address is www.QueueMetrics.com/license.jsp. However, before purchasing, we can provide a demo key which is a 30-day demo key, to be used to completely test your in-house system on unlimited agents and up to 2 asterisk servers. For any further details about the licensing, you can contact us. The email address is support@loway.ch. If you would like to see a live demo of QueueMetrics, please sign up for our free webinar or webinars, which are held on a weekly basis. You can see all the dates and sign up for any of the webinars at www.QueueMetrics.com/webinars.